We've stayed at a lot of hotels in Waikiki, a lot of hotels in Hawaii, and I have to say the Royal Hawaiian is, I think, my favorite in Waikiki. I'm gonna tell you why we love it and why you might not love it. Hi, my name is Erica. This is the Hawaii Vacation Guide.
Looking good, man. So happy to be here. It smells so good here. Whoosh. Whoosh.
All right, number one, probably one of the biggest reasons I love it is the location. I just find this to be the most perfect location in Waikiki. You're in front of a beautiful beach. You have the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center right there. You're really in the heart of Waikiki. And that brings me to number two, why I love it. You're in the heart of Waikiki, but it still feels very secluded. The grounds are really big compared to all the other hotels in Waikiki. Everything else feels a little bit more compact and city style, while the grounds of the Royal Hawaiian are expansive and sprawling. And that's because of its history, which is number three, why I love it. So this hotel is nearly 100 years old. It was built and opened in 1927. It is the Pink Palace of Waikiki. You can see it pretty much anywhere you are on Waikiki Beach. You'll be able to spot the Royal Hawaiian Hotel. We love all of the historical details, the lighting, the light fixtures, just all of the beautiful elements that you don't get in construction today. As I mentioned before, it's on a great spot of Waikiki Beach. Waikiki Beach is eroding, and this spot is still large. There's plenty of room for everyone. It's in a great spot to watch the sunset. It's just a really nice spot on the beach. There's plenty of beach chairs, beach activities out there like outrigger canoeing. There's just a lot of fun stuff going on here. I also love their two pool options. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was at first really disappointed with their hotel pool. It's just circular, it's round, it's nothing big, it's kind of in the middle of stuff. But after spending many days there, we love it. Our kids love it. It's just a little fun pool to jump into and out of. They also have a hot tub. And then if you want a little bit more adventure and activity, they do have a kids pool, which is shared with the Sheraton next door. All right, this one's gonna sound kind of silly, but I love their Mai Tai lounge. I love it. I think it's such a fun place to do happy hour. The colors are just so vibrant, like the pinks everywhere, and they have really nice staff, and it's right on the beach, so you can run out, grab your view of sunset, run back to your table. It's just such a nice vibe in the evening. And I really like the Mai Tai lounge. And then the last reason we love it is because since we've started booking through our credit card portal, we've gotten a lot of perks that make our stays even better. Perks from free upgrades to check in at 12 p.m. and check out at 4 p.m., which we are using both of this trip. We just had our free breakfast at the Surf Lanai at $100 resort credit. There's just lots of perks that make our stay even better when we book with that credit card portal. All right, before we get into the drawbacks, I just want to reintroduce myself to you in case you haven't found our channel before or our website. We are the ultimate guide to getting your Hawaii vacation planned right. We have tons of articles and videos. We have an activities database for everything you can do. We have itineraries that you can download that have done so much of the planning for you. So if you are just joining us through this video, you're going to want to check out all the rest of the stuff we have at the HawaiiVacationGuide.com. All right, on to the drawbacks. If you are staying in the historic part of the hotel, which we love, there's a few things. The rooms don't have lanais. It can feel quite dated because it's been a little while since they've refreshed this hotel. And the rooms are small. My son this morning even commented, he's like, this room feels very different from everything else. And I'm like, yes, because there's no drawers to put your clothes in, so we couldn't unpack. And it's just a smaller hotel room. So it might not be the right place for you. I don't know, it's the right place for us. When the price is right and our credit card offers like these perks, we will always be staying here. I love it so much. It feels like coming home. Thanks so much for watching. Click the link down in the description below for our website to learn more about this hotel, to learn more about the credit card program that we use to get all these perks, and just to get yourself some great resources for a Hawaii vacation. Thanks for watching.